මේ මම කරන්න යන්නේ normal theory එකක් විතරයි හරි ඩයිවින් වෙන්නේ මේක මම pool එක හදන නිසා මේක pool එක සිද්ධ කරන නිසා ඒක මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම කියන්නම් මේ ඇවිල්ලා බඩු ටික හරිද මේක ඇවිල්ලා මේක ඔක්සිජන් ටැංක් නෙවෙයි මේක normal air tank මේකේ 79% තියෙන nitrogen 21% තියෙන oxygen we have two kind of style tanks steel and aluminum this is steel tank the aluminium and steel but now all diving center they are using in aluminium tank before was steel tank the difference by weight the aluminium is lighter and the steel for heavy example you are using 2 kg from the aluminium tank 4 kg when you use the steel tank you can use 2 kg because of the weight there is the different kind of sizes this is 8 liters but must be you keep remembering there is inside 200 air bar pressure 200 air bar pressure even 8 liter even 5 liter even 12 liter even 15 liter 200 air bar pressure the difference only capacity okay so before you going to fit the BCD you must check this you see the blood ring this is one this is we call O-ring there is no O-ring no diving because liquid okay when you fit the BCD you must open get the air smell look like this you know why the some diving center they are not change the filter in this is environment is not good sometimes there is oily smelling when you going to dive you have a headache you are dizzy that's why very important because our lungs okay every time you must keep remember not tanks we not keep it like this we must lay down because there is people maybe something happens you know maybe touch maybe fall down they break the valve it's like a rocket the Paddy Federation they did this test 2 inch the concrete can break this one really yes. Okay so also the tank you have to check you know the Hydrotex this Hydrotex 2014 because they are not use the tank but I don't know how they are feeling from the compressor normally when we go into the diving center someone bring the tanks to refill our compressor so we must have to check the Hydrotex every 5 years you know why because they give the pressure with the water they check the how is the tanks working or not working there is some damage this is not allowed to use that's why okay so any question tanks
why only the 200 bar
this is the rules this is the international the rules we cannot refill the 300 bar
but the tank is small how we put this is the liters this small space how we put 200 bar
this is the compressor this showing the 200 bar there is automatically compressor shut down yeah this is compressor tension sometimes we have 220 we can refill 220 automatically when you refill the tank 220 automatically compressor shut down but the real compressor the technology but some compressor we have to shut down because the latest one automatically shut down even the small even the big that's 200 bar only difference capacity okay any question no okay this is very important thing this is people call jacket but real name BCD meaning buoyancy control and device because when we going to dive we have to keep our balance you know so we have a balance that's why we are we are running you know same things you know the underwater we have to keep our balance you know when we going to dive we touch the coral sometimes there is poison things okay coral break okay that's why we have to practice the balance see there is this is we call BCD inflator there is two buttons red and gray okay red and gray red button we call inflate into the jacket this one deflate when you press this one air comes out when you press this one air comes in okay you see I mean come diving you know diving why I want to teach you okay this one dump valve when you pull this one very fast air comes out you are going down very fast. But you are beginner, we are not use this one. You know, when you put this one, you are going very fast, you don't know how to equalize, break your eardrum. Okay, so beginner, when you want to go down, you must use the BCD inflator. So when we want, I will come on. Okay guys, let's go down. What we're going to do, take this one, always left hand must be straight in your shoulder. To the press, we go down very slowly. Okay, so you want to come up, don't inflate the BCD, you come very fast. We use our fins, slowly we come up. When you reach the surface, you must inflate your BCD on the surface. You not inflate the BCD, you are going down again. Get it? Okay, so we are swim like this. Okay, you want to inflate in underwater, you can inflate any position. Inflate means not too fast, little bit. Okay, I will show you, because we have only one equipment. I didn't bring another. Next time I bring other all equipments. You guys to look by mass what I'm doing.
Yes.
Okay, so you can inflate any position, but you want to deflate. When you press this one, I'm not going out in underwater because of the pressure. You must come straight position. You get it, my position? And straight position must be straight in your hand, must be straight in your shoulder. You try to like this, air not comes out in under. Okay. This is safety buckles, safety things. I will show you how to wear. Any question about the BCD? No. Okay, this is a very important thing. This is our page. This is we call regulator, but there is 5 parts. This one we call first stage. This one. First stage. Medicine navy. First stage. Okay. This one we call second stage. Yeah. You see there is button. This button we call perch button. I will show you how to use. Okay. This one. Also when you go to diving, with your body no air, you can give him to share. Okay. This button, see what's the name of this button? Perch button. See, this one longer, this one shorter. We are used this one. Okay. This is low pressure inflate.
Low pressure inflate.
Yeah. This is connecting from the BCD inflate. Okay. Okay. So this one, this is the pressure gauge. You see? Look.
Pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge. This is depth gauge. Forget about depth gauge. This is the pressure gauge. This is every one line 10 bar. You see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Yeah. So any question about
this? When we put it the tank, it will show how many bars is there.
Okay. Any question? You see, this is the high pressure hose. These 3 hose, the low pressure. Look, all this is the high pressure. When you open the tank, all the pressure comes from here.
Because of the
nose. Yeah. Okay. Any question? Anything? Okay. So I will show you how to assemble the equipment. Okay. So first, take your tank. No. Check this one. This is front. Always like this. You are in the front. You don't need to go like this. Okay. Check the air smell. Take your BCD. Drop like this. Okay. When you fix the BCD, you must hold your knees. Okay. Look. Hold the knees. This one. Normally I'm not put this one in soap, but safety. When you fix the BCD, not so deep, not so high. 3/4. 5 ml over from here. Okay? Look. Then you will check. You see loose. You have to lift it. Check. Then you see, hold your nose. When you fix it, don't fix like a hold like this, damage your finger like this. Then turn the bottle. When you fix the BCD, must be straight in the valve. See, Now notice straight the valve.
A little bit angle.
Angle. Right? Straight. Okay. Then when you fix the regulator, you must open first this dust cap.
Dust cap.
Yeah, this is dust cap. When you fix it, this group always right hand. This group left hand. Only hand tight, not too tight. This is normal.
Yes.
Okay.
Small.
Yeah, this is normal. Then take your low pressure inflator and put under here. Take your BCD inflator left hand, low pressure inflator into your right hand. How you know how to fit? Pull this one, topagahan. Pull and push. You know how to remove? Push and pull.
Same thing.
Push and pull.
Pull and push.
Pull and push. Okay. Pull and push in. Push and pull. Remove. Pull and push. Pull and. That's it. Okay. So then you have to check how many bar you have. When you open the bottle, don't look this. Explode. Damage your face.
We blast.
Blast. We never know. Okay. Don't open like this because someone behind you. Open like this. Face down. Pull open.
Pull open.
Pull open. One turn. Back. You know why? When you open the full, sometimes you forget. You go talk with your girlfriend, you go talk with your friend, you went toilet, and you come back, you try to open this again. Break the valve. That's why one turn. See? The reason why. Any question? See how many bar have?
200 bars.
Okay. So then you can inflate, check your BCD. This will full. See? Over.
Coming out.
Oh, yeah. This deflate. Okay. Check this one. Good. This one always keep like this. Spare one. Check this one. Okay. Then close. When you transfer the bottle, you must close. When you close, still there is pressure inside.
Why like that?
Because of the pressure is still inside. Then you can press. Look. Look the me. You can't open without pressing this. You can't not connect it. Where it connects this one. Okay. So any question? No. Okay. Now, you know how to breathe? Normally we are breathing on the normal life. Inhale, exhale through the nose. But when you're going to dive, inhale, exhale through the mouth. Look at me. This one we can turn. Look. Okay. Try to breathe this one. Wash this one and breathe. Up. Breathe. Put it and hard. Yeah. Dat dekeng alla. Oh, hari nahayawan. Heming. Harakek wage. Hati ngallan naha මේක. Hati ganna. Heming. Normal ganna hulla. Slip karanna. Okay. How was it? Good. How was flavor? Banana, mango, strawberry flavor?
No any flavor.
Okay. And try කරද්දී හොදලා කවුරුත්? එකයිනේ අපිට තියෙන්නේ.
උගන්නේ ගහම්බා.
මේක වතුර බෝතලයක් ගන්න. Bagannit cutting, arinnit cutting. යවන නම් සද්දයක් එන්නේ නැහැ. නහයෙන් අරින්න නැහැ වහලා කටින් අරින්න. කටින් මල්ල inhale exhale through the
Close all.
तो खाता है कि मैं विदियर थी
Cap remove. Video කරන්න
Yeah, that. මේක හරියද? ගන්නකො. කටේ නෑ. කට ඇතුළට දාලා දත් වලින් මේක. නායවා. නාය close. Nose close.
Naik close.
Normal kan? Manusia ya harus ya Aisyah panik.
Tidak aja nih.
Why sounds coming? Because dry inside. When you go into the water, you can see only bubbles. Ari, banana flavor, mango, any flavor?
Nothing. This is very cool water. Cool.
Okay. So, any question? I will show you after dive how to disassemble that equipment.
Okay.
The signal, no. Okay. First of all, I will bring, Satish already give the permission to take this one. I will bring one more equipment set for them. So first of all, we're going to down. So I will check you guys to how to breathe. Okay. So we cannot talk underwater. There is signal how to communicate. Okay. This is my signal. It's meaning inhale. This is my signal. It's meaning exhale. Okay. This is my signal sitting on the knees from the ground. This is my signal. You look at me. What I'm doing. This is my signal. You can show me what I done. What I show you. I want to see one more time. You one more time. Repeat again. Okay. So first, I want to see the mask clearing. Other skill after this time. Okay. This is the mask. Okay. So you are very good. Okay. You are very good.
Sounds and
Ariel. Okay. You are very good. And then we can start to control our buoyancy. Okay. The mask clearing is very important thing. When you're going to dive, sometimes water comes inside your mask or sometimes foggy your mask. Then how to clear in your mask in underwater in wild. You see, when you wear your mask, don't tight. Only like this. Okay? Like over here. Like this. Don't like this. Okay? Okay? The first, we practice. Take the water. Okay? Half flat. Sometimes foggy, face down, clear. Take your good deep breath in your mouth. Hold the breath, look up, this area right hand, press the right hand, look up, exhale through the nose. See, when you exhale it, this space, water automatically comes out. Okay. See? Okay, I will show you. Next one, regulator cleaning. When you go dive, you have mouth inside the water. You can press this button. I will show you how to use this one. The basic signal, this is okay. I'm asking you, you can say me you're okay. This is we go up. This is we go down. This is something wrong. This is a problem. When you go dive, we start from shallow area, then we come to deep end. You know what will happen? Look in your ear. Same things in the plane. This happen, take your breath, press the nose with the mask. Blow in. It's like this. Now we make it blow. You see? Sorry. Picture any question?
cameraman
මෙතනින් අල්ලලා ඉදට ගන්න මම පෙන්නන ඉස්සෙල්ලාම දාන්නේ right hand එක left hand දාන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් ඉඳලා කරලා දාගන්න. Bend forward then. Bend forward. Hari, bend forward වෙලා මේ තියෙන මේ දෙක අදි. ජම්ප් එක දාලා අදි. කෙලින් වෙන. මෙහෙම අදි. දැන් කෙලින් වෙන. ඊට පස්සේ මේ දෙක දාන්න. දැක්කද? ඊට පස්සේ මේ ක්ලිප් එක. උඩ ගෑල්ල ඕන. හරි. රෙක් එක ගන්න විදිය දන්නේ හොයාගන්න ඉතින් මෙහෙම අතට දාලා මෙහෙම ගන්න. දාන්න පස්සේ. The pin දෙකේ size එක. Adjustable දෙයක් දාගන්න. පොඩට මේ pin තමයි එක support එක දෙන්න. මාස් එක. බලමු මාස් එකක් තෝරගත්තද?
මාස් එක මං ගෙනාන මෙතන මේ.
කයිද තියෙනවා?
ඔය තියෙන නෝවාට ගෙන මාස්.
මට මේ තියෙන මාස් එක. හරිද? තව මාස් එකක්ද දව්? අර බෑග් එකේ මාස් එකක් තියෙනවා. මොකද නරනද?
හරි.
ඕකේ මතක තියාගන්න මේකට යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා අනිවාර්යෙන් උලන් ගහ ගන්න ඕනේ. ඒකට යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා. සාමාන්‍ය. අර හවුස් කීපින් එක ටිකක් බල බල යනවා. කොහොමද ටැංකිත් දාගෙන යනවා. හිතන්නේ නැහැ. ඩ්‍රයිවිං. පන්දි කරන ගලන්
ඔබන
පින් එක දාන විදිය දැක්ක පින් එක දාන්නේ ඔබ මුහුදේ දැන් නැහැ එක මේන පින් දෙකනේ තියෙන්නේ එකක් ගත්තා මෙහෙම කරා දැම්ම ඇඩ්ජස්ට් කරා අපේ කකුල මාරු කරලා නේ ඔව් අනිත් එක මෙහෙම විරුද්ධ කකුලට විරුද්ධ දැන් මම මෙයාට මේක කළා ඔබ පුරුදු කරපන් අනිත් එක මම ගොඩට යනවා. හරිනේ. ඊපස්සේ මාස් එක දාගෙන ලද්දි චුරි මාස් කී අයිති හොඳ මාස් කී කියලා මගේ මාස් මම කරා කරේ. ඊළඟ පාර අරන් නෑ දිනවනේ මේක අරන් යනවා හරි. එයාගේ දිනවා. නේ ඉතින් බඩ ඉච්චර තද කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක උඩට
හපු
රෙගුලේටර් එක මේක ගන්න මේක මොකද මේක ගන්න යාත්‍රා ආවල් මේක ගන්න මොනවා
Let's see, guys. Monai.
තාස්සේ දිරිලා. ඕඩ. රස රෙගුලේටර් එක ගහනවා ඉස්සෙල්ලා වක්කට් එක බලන්න. ඕ හොස්කො. ඒගාලා ප්‍රෙස් නවුට් කරලා බීට් කරලා. You know, you see. I'm instructor, teacher. Very good. හරියට ගන්න හරියට. හරිද? බලාගෙන.
Now, Nissan instructor, master.
හරි.
කලවම්.
හරි. ඊළඟට වෙච්චේ කටේ ගාවුවා, S2 ගාවුවා, නහය ගාවුවා. බලාගෙන. මාස්ටර් ගාලා. මාස්ටර් කොතන මේ මෙතන. නහය ගාවුවා. S2 ගාවුවා. අත්ලන්න රෙගුලේටර් යති. මල්ලි අහසයි. බලාගෙන ඉඳලා කයිය ගහන
Kau je, mai baik pedet. Senang kali. Ada kaapa deh? Boleh deh, kaapa deh, kaapa deh.
එහෙනම් බොහොම ස්තුතියි මගේ වීඩියෝ නරඹුවාට. මේ වගේ ලස්සන වීඩියෝ මම තාපසෙන් නරඹන්න දැන්ම මාව subscribe කරන්න, notification bell එක click කරන්න. එහෙනම් වසා production තුලින් යලිත් මේ වගේ ලස්සන වීඩියෝවක් කරන් ඔබට එනතුරු ජය වේවා ඔබ සියලු දෙනාටම ජය.